Hey there, I'm Sarah with WTI, and I hate wasting money when food goes stale and having to throw it away. This has been a great clip for me. It's reliable and sturdy, and because it's so long, it works on a variety of different products, keeping my food fresh and sealed right to the last piece.
These are stainless steel clips from DanziX, and the 4.7-inch width is what gives you the superior airtight seal. So whatever you want to use these for, you can use them with confidence, knowing that no air is going to get in and make your food stale.
So even if you want to put these in your cereal box, they're going to fit. That wide mouth means they're going to really give you a lot of closure, and they open and close easily. It's not difficult for me to use them, even though they're secure and they stay closed well. I'm so pleased with these clips. I have used them all over my kitchen for a ton of different products, and they're keeping my food fresh, which is so important to me. I hate wasting money and wasting food, and these have really been a lifesaver. And that is my point of view.